Hey guys, and welcome to a directed drawing. Today we are going to do a directed draw of a crab. It's getting to be summertime. Maybe some of you will get to go to the beach. So I thought it'd be fun to do a directed draw of a crab, and then maybe we'll add some shells. So to start, I have my paper turned the long way, horizontally, because I want to have a lot of room to go sideways. I'm going to do my crab kind of big so you can see it. You do not have to do your crab as big as me. To start, I'm not going to go near the top. I'm not going to go near the bottom. I'm going to go in the middle of the paper. And I'm going to start with my crab's body. Now, I want the body to be kind of big, but not take up the whole paper. So I'm going to draw an oval with kind of some pointy edges. There's my crab body. Notice it's not round like a circle. It's oval. We talked about ovals being a squished circle, kind of an ovular shape for your crab's body. After that, we're going to start his pincers. So to start his pincers, on each end, I'm going to draw a small triangle. And on this end, I'm going to draw a small triangle. It's where his arms are going to connect. Then I'm going to draw his arms going up. I'm going to have two parallel lines. We talked about parallel are two lines that go in the same direction and they don't cross. I've got parallel lines. There's the rest of his arms. Now we need to add his lobster claws. To draw his lobster claw, I'm going to start at the inside line. I'm going to draw a straight line up. And a curve around to connect. Do you see how it kind of looks like the letter D? I'm going to do a straight line up. And I'm going to curve it around to connect to the back. That's the first part of his claw, but his claw needs a little bit of work. So I'm going to go right here, up, and connect back down. Up, kind of looks a little bit like a Y. And connect back down. Now he's got his claws up here. He also needs his legs down here so he can scuttle around. That's a good word, scuttle. To make his legs down here, I'm going to diagonal line out and climb back in. Diagonal line out, climb back in. On the other side, I'm going to go the opposite direction. Diagonal line out, climb back in. Diagonal line out, climb back in. But his legs still need a little bit more work. So now I'm going to go right back here and I'm going to trace a parallel line that goes right beside that one. And then down and connect it so it's pointy. Parallel down, connect so it's pointy. Parallel down, connect so it's pointy. Parallel down, connect so it's pointy. So now he's got his legs, he's got his lobster claws, he needs some eyes. I want his eyes to stick up. So I'm going to do two parallel lines. We're doing a lot of parallel lines sticking up. And I'm going to do a circle for an eyeball here. A circle for about eyeball here, and I'm going to give him the dot in the middle. He's still missing something. You know what he needs? He needs a mouth. I'm going to give him a mouth. You wouldn't really see this on a real crab, but I want my crab to be happy. And right now it looks like he's floating. So I'm going to add some sand underneath his feet. He's a much happier crab. I'm going to add a sunshine up here. Such a happy crab. I want to add some shells. I'm going to show you some easy shells you could draw. The easiest shell starts like this. You just have to do a shape like that. Add a V at the bottom. And then from the middle down to the point, draw a line. And then on the sides, do it again and again and again and again. So it looks like that. I'll move you in so you can see it. And then here at the bottom, I'm going to draw kind of little squares on each side so it looks like a shell. The other shell I'm going to do is I'm going to start big and I'm going to swirl in. So I swirled in. Then here at the top, I'm going to add a little circle. And I'm just going to add little lines all the way around so it looks like a shell. And there I have my crab and my shells. I hope you enjoyed making it. I can't wait to see your crabs. Bye.